Hi there, I've just had someone contact me. They're trying to import invoices into Xero and they want to use a CSV file. But what they'd like to do is they'd like to merge the information that appears in columns P, Q and R into one column. So for example, we would like to see 3339, then what's in column Q and then what's in column R with a space between each one. So what we're going to do is come over to here to AD2 and I'd like to put a formula, and the formula is quite simply equals what's in P2 and a space. So I need double quote, space, double quote. A space is considered text, and so text must always appear inside double quotes. Then I'll do another and what's in Q2 and another space. And I'd like to join what's in R2. So quite simply this formula is saying grab what's in P2, add a space, and add what's in Q2, add a space, and add what's in R2. So when I press enter, it's joined those three columns into one. If I then click on that cell and drag the formula down, it'll work it out for each row. Now what I'd like to do is take a copy of this, so I'll right click and copy, and I want to right click column P, or P2 to be exact, and I'm going to paste the values. And that is, I want to paste the results, not the formulas. So I'll paste the values. If I then double click to widen column P, I can see that I've joined together what was in P, Q and R, and it's all in one column called description. Now I can get rid of columns Q and R by right clicking and deleting. And I can also get rid of column AB and delete that as well. So that's a simple formula that joins what's in three cells together with a space between each entry.